Good morning, guys. I just wanted to go over the learning plan for this week so everybody knows what I'm looking for and so what you know what's coming up this week, okay? So it's B week and I still have period 5 and 8 and it's April 27th today. Next week it will be May 4th, so I'll have period 1 and 2 next week. So just make sure you're on the right week, okay? I'm planning to have Google Hangouts. These times have been working really well, so I'm going to do Tuesday from 1 to 2, and I'll be on the Hangout for an hour. I'm going to do Wednesday night again from 8 to 8:30 because that's been going great, and we've been having lots of fun. If that doesn't work for you and you still need help, please feel free to email me. I can help you. I can make an appointment, so don't hesitate on that, okay? Let's see, other things. Here we go. Scrolling down just to take a look at what the week looks like. So today, Monday, we're going to work on Mindful Monday. And I did a little bit more of a vocabulary and answering some questions on that. And there's a video to watch for Mindful Monday. I think you're going to like it. It's something a little bit different than what we're going to do. And it's just about 2 minutes long, not really a long video, but it goes with the questions and the vocabulary, okay? Tomorrow, we're going to build on that vocabulary that we went through, and I'll have an activity posted for you on Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to get into reading skills and answering text questions and thinking about connections that we make to others or how reading can help us to connect to others, and we all have common experiences. So these are some articles that are actually in a newspaper that I adapted for you guys with some questions, okay? Thursday is kind of like a free-ish day, but I want you thinking about being thankful. And Mother's Day is coming up. We celebrate Mother's Day here in the United States on May 10th. So to think about, like, if you have some free time that day, you can make a Mother's Day card, write a poem, or make a gift for your mom or someone who's like a mother to you. And I know it's still a ways away, but for my B week people, I'm not going to see you next week, so we won't have a chance to do an actual activity. But I just want you thinking about that for Thursday, and I'll have maybe a little activity or some ideas for you on Thursday. Also, you can do a Quizlet, which I will set up and link to you. And then that's getting us ready for Friday, which will be the Show Your Learning. So we're going to have a quick little vocab quiz with the vocab that went with the vocabulary building from the Mindful Monday. We'll do that on Friday. I want to have some reflection questions for you in the quiz as well, just to see how we're all doing. And then I'm pointing out here, how do I get credit this week? You're going to have completed your Mindful Monday breathing exercises and the activity, do the vocabulary building, do the choice reading articles and questions, and then do your vocabulary quiz. All right, so if you have any trouble with that, or you're having trouble earning credit or checking in with me, just shoot me an email and we can work something out, okay? And then if that's not enough for you, you can, and you still need more to do, keeping busy, I've just reminded you that you have ebooks available from the GLTS library, and I had posted information that way back when we first went out. So I'm just reminding you, if you need something to do, get an ebook from the library, and the directions are here in this link. So click on it and you'll get directions on how to access those ebooks. Okay, guys? So have a great day. Love working with you, even though I can't be with you. Still love connecting with you, seeing the work that you're doing, and sending some comments back. So miss you lots, but I'm still here for you. Okay? Sure. Bye.